I don't really have anything to say. I just look cute and wanted y'all to see it, so here I am.
So I'm proud of you. Gotta say I'm proud of you. Did it, baby girl. I'm proud of you. I'm proud. Yeah, I'm proud. I just wanted you to know that I'm proud of you. They won't tell you, but I will. You could've gave up plenty time, so I'm proud of you. Hi guys, it's me again. Yeah, So as you can see by the title, I will be braiding up this little mini fro I have. The back will not be done. I am getting that shaved. That's how it looks. Don't talk about me. Anyway, so yeah, today I'm going to be using Bobbii Boss's French curl braiding hair. I wanted to do like the micro braid type of look for the longest, so I decided to do it on myself, and that's what we're gonna do. I have the hair in a color, in the color T1B27. So basically, it's black at the roots, and it gets into the 27 color, honey blonde, whatever you want to call it, color on the ends. I am going to be using the snatch braid method, meaning I'm not going to use a comb to part. I'm going to use my finger and grab pieces of my hair and start braiding it that way because I don't want that uniform look. So we'll go ahead and get into the video, and I'll see you guys at the end.
It's Fake Hills.
Original, puffin' on me high grade, sippin' on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sippin' on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga. Say she feelin' on the nigga, say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that. Way you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar, cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time, baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time, baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me out, say me pour me out. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me out. Say enter the radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar, cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time, baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time, baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's Fake Hills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about it. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
It's Feet Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me, pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding at the thing so. Any man, them me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a buzzing at the thing so. Girl, pour me out, see me pour me out. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me feel my wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me, y'all say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's Feet Kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them and watch it. They are pretty up on them. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
It's Feet Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me, pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding at the thing so. Any man, them me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad man a boss inna the thing so. Girl up on me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me feel my wine. Aye. Man a wine, say she give me pon me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you dey mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them and watch it. They are pretty up on them. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffin' on me high grade, sippin' on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sippin' on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga. Say she feelin' on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter the radar. Now you dey mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pon me yard, say she give me pon me yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding at the thing so. Any man, them me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a boss inna the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me feel my wine. Man a wine, say she give me pon me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you dey mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them and watch it. They are pretty up on them. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
It's fake kills.
original. Puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me ya, say she give me pour me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, for me yard, see me for me.
So we have came to the end of the video, honey. And I just wanted to give you a little information on the hair before I leave you guys. First things first, just a few pros about the hair. As you can see, it already comes curly, which I love. And I think it's easy. It'll be a great alternative to people who want that curl on the end and don't want to actually curl the hair up yourself, because a lot of us don't know how to do that anyway. You know, everybody don't know how to do it. So I think this is a great alternative to keep you from having to dip hair and deal with the hot water and all the other stuff. The hair is very soft. It's very soft. And I love the color. I did get this, like I said before, in the color T1B27. This hair is by Bobbii Boss, and this is in the style French curl. French curl. Okay. This is yeah, I'm not even gonna lie, I love it. I love it, and it looks so good on me. Anyway, they do have other colors available. But I'll leave everything in the description, any information that you need, where you can find the hair at, all of that. As you can see, this one, it does have like the black roots, and it goes into the blonde color. The hair is extremely soft. I did get some tangling as I was pulling the hair from the cluster of hair, basically. As I braided, though, it didn't tangle too much. And this is actually the next day. This is the next day. I actually slept on the hair without a bonnet last night. I didn't tie it up. I didn't do anything to it. I just got in the bed just like this, and I woke up just like this. I didn't fluff it. I didn't do anything to it. I'm just touching in it now on camera, but as you can see, it's not matted. It's still very much loose, free of tangles. So I love that for me. But anyway, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Comment under this video. Let me know what y'all think. If y'all like the hair, if you tried the hair before, if you're thinking about getting the hair, what style you're gonna do. Make sure you go follow my Instagram as well. And that way you can send me pictures. Send me pictures of your hair if you use this hair. Send me pictures and let me see how your hair turned out. Because mine turned out bomb, and I did it myself, as you can see. Alright, but anyways, I want to thank y'all guys for tuning in. I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for supporting me. Share this video with everybody and anybody that you know. Share it on all your social media platforms. Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. Whatever you want to share it to, make sure you share it with somebody, anybody, everybody. It don't matter. Alright, love you guys. See you in my next video.